Hi everyone. If you're like me, who recently bought a MacBook M1, but are frustrated in terms of not able to find the games or software that you use natively on your iPad and iPhone, I might just have a solution for you. Let's get to it. So what you're trying to do here is you're trying to take the software that is installed in your iPad or iPhone, extract it, and then basically place the software onto your MacBook M1 and install it from there. It should work perfectly fine because the MacBook M1 is a ARM-based processor where you'll be able to install those applications that's running on your iPhone or iPad natively, no problem at all. Problem that we had often is we were unable to find those software or games that is on the Mac App Store. To start off, of course you will want to have your iPhone or iPad that has the software that you want to extract it from, and then you will need a software. The software that I have used, there are many options out there, is a software that's called iMazing. The website is imazing.com, as you can see on the screen right now. So you're perfectly fine to use the free options. If you do find the software useful, however, I do recommend you to purchase a registered version. Next, let me show you what you need to do to go through that process. Alright, so once you install the iMazing applications, you want to open that up. For purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to go with continue trial here. I have already connected my iPhone, and where I wanted to go at this point is manage app right here. Now, once it's loaded, where you wanted to click is you want to click on library, and then search the app that you want to extract it from your iPhone. I'm going to search for an app called Genshin Impact. It's a game. Basically, you can extract any sort of app that is on your iPhone as you see applicable. They will all sort of work the same way. So what I would do right now is I will click on download. Let's wait for a little bit. Alright, we're done. So we're ready to select the app right here. Click on the down arrow key and select export to IPA. What this will do is this will save the IPA file to your MacBook. So I'm just going to save it on my downloaded folder. And we're ready to go to the next steps. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to open up your Finder. You will see an IPA file right here, which is the application you have just extracted from your iPhone, or from my iPhone in this case. So what I would do is I will just double click on it, and it will basically allow you to install. So it gives you the option of whether or not you wanted to remove the installer. You can keep it, you can move it to trash, doesn't really matter. Boom, click on it. It's on your application. Once you click on it, you will find that the application will start loading without an issue, just like how you would see it on your iPad or iPhone. I hope you find today's information helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with people who you think might be able to benefit from this information. Also, leave me a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what other content you would like to see. And I'll see you next time.